Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today it's the middle of January here in Georgia. I got all the heaters going. It's really cold outside, so I thought today I would warm up and make a nice hot lunch. I thought I would make a turkey, avocado, pesto, pepper jack cheese, Swiss cheese panini. Let's do it. I'll show you how I do it. Alright, this is everything I'm going to be using. I have a couple of slices of sourdough. I've got some pesto. I've got some bacon, Swiss cheese, pepper jack cheese, turkey, and a little lettuce. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my avocado without cutting my hand. Peel off the skin. I'm going to slice it. There we go. I'll take my pesto, put it all over my bread. Oop. Of course, I'm making a mess, like usual. There's that one. I'm going to do it on the top one as well. Okay. I'm going to put a little lettuce down, because I always need my greens. Lettuce down. I'm going to put on my turkey. That should do it. I'm going to put some Swiss cheese. I'm going to put my bacon. I'm going to put my pepper jack on there. And my avocado. And of course I dropped it. I'm going to put the top on. And now I'm going to get the panini maker. Alright, we'll bring our panini maker in. Let that come up to temperature. That will just take a second. Alright, our panini maker just came up to temperature, by the really light, and we're just going to throw our sandwich on. Just like that. Close it up. And now we wait. Alright, our panini, I can see the cheese is starting to melt down there. We'll just give it another minute. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat this. Listen to that sizzle. Oh, it looks so good already. It is sizzling. Oh, does that look good? I think we're done. Alright, let's take this off. That is ready. Does that not look delicious? Delicious. Well, anyway, I'm going to go enjoy my lunch. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe because it helps the channel out a lot. Have a good day. Bye. It is snowing in Georgia. snowing.